Hi, this is Lana from Hopping In, and welcome to the final part of our guide on how to start a daycare center. In the last 6 videos, we've gone through the ins and the outs of what you need to know to start a daycare center, from paperwork and location to classroom signage and finding funding. Finally, it's time to double down on all the paperwork you need for your employees and the children and happily open your daycare's doors. There's a lot that you need to include in your staff files. Part of what every teacher needs in their file is a physical form. It needs to be recent and it ensures that they don't have any communicable diseases. You'll then have a background check sheet that teachers turn in when they turn in their fingerprints. The fingerprint check. Remember that background checks are required for everyone who works in your daycare center, not just teachers. Mandated reporter contract form is necessary because it's an employee's commitment to report any signs of abuse. Staff credentials and training records are submitted through an online portal. In Chicago, this is called Gateway, and every state has an online portal to keep staff accreditation. Other things to include in the staff file are Shaken Baby Syndrome Training Certification, Mandated Reporting Training Certification, SIDS Training Certification, Food Handlers Training Certification for at least one person in the daycare who is city and state licensed to work in a kitchen. Instructions for the above training certificates, resume and copies of diplomas, 3 signed and verified letters of recommendation, CPR and first aid certificates, W-4 form, I-9 form, payroll employee or contractor profile, and payroll direct deposit form. You can also add other certifications they received as a result of additional training. Some training courses are required, but you can choose to make your employees even more capable. It's always good to go the extra mile, and if that is financially impossible for you at the moment, look into ways of earning extra revenue and booking more spots by using Hopping In. When you're starting a daycare center, you don't always want to hire a kitchen employee. Rather, you as a provider might make meals yourself. In this case, you'll have to get food handling training courses under your belt. Remember that all your records in a daycare center are confidential, so you can keep background checks and authorizations in a separate file. For your daycare's kids files, you will need registration packet, birth certificate, of which you'll need a copy within 30 days of enrollment, health appraisal, which is a record of having no diseases, tuition agreement, which is usually built into the registration packet, parent handbook receipt acknowledging they received a copy, summary of licensing standards receipt, topical non-prescription medical form, which is authorization for the use of ointments and so on, guidance and discipline policy receipt, child fact sheet, information on the kids' likes, dislikes, any issues, or relevant information that staff should know. And there you have it, you're finally ready to rock! We hope these videos have clarified the process of starting a daycare for you, and if you have any other questions, you can check out our blog at hoppingin.com and subscribe to our channel because we'll be sharing more useful tips for veteran daycare owners and new owners alike. Thank you for watching and see you soon!